Hello everyone, once again welcome to our weekly video. Today we will talk about new achievements of our partners, investors, and everything the Electroatom project has been able to accomplish this week. This is Josue Dioba, let's start the news. We certainly won't start the news without undoubtedly congratulating our esteemed partners, the individuals who have reached a new level. Of course, this involves Ismaël Rodrigue, but also Leo Van, who has reached the specialist level. As you know, every week we have news to find out who has been able to purchase the package again. And here we see people who have reached the specialist level. You see that Electroatom is progressing, and we are proud of these people for the great step they have been able to accomplish. And then we have good news about contracts, not about partnerships are being established with the Saudi side. As you know, our partner at the level up of Saudi Arabia, Aboubakar and CEO Victor Tunov are in negotiations and talks to reach an agreement to finance the Electroatom project. Currently, we are still cautious about discussing the negotiations, and when we have more straightforward information, we will convey it. I wanted to remind you that on April 1st, a major conference, a big meeting was held on Zoom. On April 1st, several representatives from the French-speaking side were connected. Not to mention that this meeting was led by the representative from Gabon Bonaventure. And we are very proud as there were nearly 50 participants at this Zoom conference. Director Victor Tunov was also connected. He was able to share a bit about his life, talk about why he decided to launch this project and many other questions. It was a very interesting meeting and we are proud of ourselves. Very good news, friends. As you know, for a very long time, it has been overdue and in search of a national director. Thank God we were able to find a person who will manage the English-speaking side. Carlos has committed to serving and advancing the project to develop it throughout the English-speaking region. We are proud of him and we hope for very good news and very good words from him. And then, in the Tribal Technologies workshop, we are here to talk to you about the progress, so the projects here, and not only in the workshop. There are advancements, work currently being done to improve safety conditions during high voltage operations. As you know, these are things that can involve risks, and currently we are here to ensure safety at the level of Tribal Technologies. It's an achievement, and we are proud of it. Not to mention that we have also been able to purchase new materials, which will thus enable the operation and progress of the project. As you know, very beautiful technology. We fight day and night to allow everyone who joins the project to benefit and to be at the ES. And then, as you know, we share the experience, the video of anyone who has become a representative of the Electroatom project under this video. Just below that you see, you can follow the experience. Why did Miss Uyen join the project? The 3 tombs, what are the advantages, but also why she decided to advance it at the level of Vietnam. I remind you that Miss Uyen is the representative at the level of Vietnam. For all those who are interested, feel free to follow this video, her experience that she shares. That was all for today. Thank you for watching this video. As you know, every Saturday, the news is brought to you by Josue Dioba. Feel free to watch this video on the link just below, and feel free to share your opinions. We'll see you next week to share the news. You can follow us on YouTube, Instagram, Telegram, and all social networks. Thank you.